Okay, now we're going to learn the basic climb. And the basic climb, like so many things in pole, is a push-pull type of movement to get yourself up the pole. You're going to push with your forearm, pull with your arm, bring your legs up until you're up the pole. So I'll demo it and then we'll start working bit by bit. So here we go. Okay. So now let's start with the arm positioning. It's very important. You're going to have your fingers in the front of the pole, your forearm against the back with your elbow on the other side, opposite of your fingers. The other hand is going to be high. As you move up the pole, you're going to be pushing your forearm into the pole and pulling your body up with your top hand, and then your arms will change position. In order to see how this really works, you start on your knees, get your forearm bracket on the pole, other hand high, and you're going to stand up and watch how your arm rotates and they switch places, and then this one comes high. Okay, so let's try that again. On your knees, hand high, up, rotating, and switching. Okay, so do that a few times and do it on both sides. Okay, the next thing we're going to work on is getting the foot onto the pole. So you're going to bring the front of your ankle and the side, sort of side of your shin on the pole. It's okay to flex your foot because it will help you hold on, but eventually you want straight pointed toes. Go ahead and hold that. Then the leg that's on the pole, you want that to be the high arm. And you're going to get your forearm brace going. Pull yourself up and kick your leg back. Up, back. Up, back. And do that a few times until you get comfortable with that movement. The next step after you're good with your arms and good with your kick is you're gonna get into your kick position, kick the leg back, and then bring the leg forward to the front of the pole. And then stand up. It's really important to make sure that your hips are not on the pole, that you're far enough away. So when you stand up, you have space for your arms. Then you'll bring your knees up, switch arms, and then you can sit. So just walk yourself down with your hands. Now, and of course do it on both sides. The next thing you'll do is the actual basic climb. So what that does, the difference is that instead of kicking back and bringing the leg forward, both of the legs come onto the pole at the same time. So how that works, you're going to get into your forearm bracket, reach high, and then pull up, and both feet are going to come to the pole in the position that you just learned, keeping your hips back and your knees high, like this. And then stand. Arms switch, legs up, stand. And you can walk yourself down the pole. And that is the basic climb.